In this lesson, we'll draw the handrails for the second set of stairs. Alright, so we are making some really good progress. So what I want to do now is find a quick and easy way to get the second set of rails and guardrails and glass panels drawn for our second step here. Now I could take a step-by-step approach again and try to draw it all over again, or I could simply copy, mirror, and paste. So let's take that approach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything we just drew in our previous lessons up to this point, except the treads and stuff, but mostly just my rails. Do the same thing here. I'm going to make sure I grab all my connection pieces, all my steel tubing, top and bottom. We'll grab our middle piece. Same thing for the bottom here. And I'm going to make sure I grab everything here as well. So once we have everything highlighted and we know we have all the elements we want to copy, make sure we have everything here. It's just a matter of just getting it done really now at this point. So we'll copy it, click it, drag it. I'll hit escape once really quick. But now what I want to do is I want to grab this and I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to hit yes because I don't really need that other one. So we'll keep this guy here. So the key is placement and where you grab it. So here, this is where we're going to grab it. So I'm going to grab at the top of the stair this point. I'm going to do that at this one. So we'll grab this guy, we'll go to move, grab this point, and this should line up with the nose at the top here. Like so. And we've just really quickly and easily placed our landing and stuff for this top area here. So now what we could do, come back in, do some more trimming and some line work. I could see we have some more trimming we could probably stand to do. So we'll bring this across. Bring this across as well. Make sure these are connected. And now I'm going to trim this off. So now we'll go with the trim command here. And really I don't need these guys. I probably don't need this one. Just that little piece right there. Perfect. Alright, and now what we need to do is make sure we have our 12-inch extension on top. We really don't need that extra piece up there, so I'm going to go 12 in this direction. And we'll just trim off anything we don't need. Easy as that. Erase anything we don't need here. So things are really coming together. Things are really starting to look good too. We can make an adjustment to the size of this guy. This will actually line up just inside this lip. So I'm liking this. Alright, so what we need to do now is some more trimming. So I want this to read correctly. So let's start here. Let's do some trimming here. We won't be able to see that handrail because it'll actually be hidden behind that area. And we won't be able to see this portion of it either, so we'll do some trimming there. So we'll trim. And coming down this way, we could do some more trimming. So we'll go here. So now it definitely looks like that handrail is in front of this staircase. So up here we can actually do some trimming of the concrete. So we'll go trim again, and we won't be able to see any of these elements, not even the hatch behind this rail. So I'm going to make sure I get everything. See how nicely that reads from a distance? And we can stand to do the same thing here. So we'll go basically from here to here. Needs to be trimmed out, all that concrete. Like so. And we'll probably be able to see a little bit of that, but we won't be able to see any of these. So we'll trim those out as well. And I probably just need to delete these because these aren't intersecting any cut lines. This one is. So we'll go trim. Get rid of these guys. And I want to do the same thing here. Trim. So now when I kind of back up off this a little bit, it's going to read a lot better. Probably stand to trim this as well. Alright. So now I could kind of back away a little bit, and this is starting to make a lot more sense, and this reads really nicely. Looks like I accidentally snipped off some of my floor, but that's not a problem. We'll just kind of bring that back in. It's important to have that. We definitely want to know our finished floor level and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that out. And let's go ahead and trim that in between there. So we'll go trim that section and that section. Looks like it's still got that bottom part. It's okay. I'm just going to offset this by whatever distance that is. I'm going to assume that's a 1/4 inch maybe. Assumption is right. Alright, so we've got everything trimmed up. Everything's looking good so far. We've got our structure in. So what we could do, I'll probably do some more trimming here. You can see some more beams going across, so we'll go trim. Same thing here. And looks like we got some more to trim here as well. And here. I bet you we need to extend this line back across here. What I'll do is I'll copy these. So we'll go copy, bring it out to where it hits it straight across. And now I'm just going to drag these across and do a simple trim right afterwards. Alright. Type in trim, clean off this line work. Anything else I don't need, I'm going to get rid of. Alright, so I think that's enough housekeeping for now. Everything is looking clean, everything's looking good. So in the next lesson, we'll finally get our hatch patterns in for our glass panels. So I'll see you there.